What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you can't already tell, I'm super pumped to have the transmission back in the S10 and working beautifully. It's been a while since I put up a video. I didn't put any video up of me putting it together because I've kind of done it before and I didn't really want any distractions putting it back together, like trying to make a video and stuff. I just had to take a break from the videos for a little bit, but we're back now. As you guys just saw, I took the S10 for a little test drive and shifting great, trans brakes holding. I still got to check the fluid one more time with it warm, so I didn't want to beat on it too hard, just do a little test drive. Plus the tags are expired on it, so didn't want to go too far in it. Now that that's all back together, we can get ready to do some racing. There's some no prep races coming up. I might enter those because I actually got something for the rear of this truck. Hang on, let me show you. That's right, we finally got slicks for the back of this thing so that we can start doing some no prep street racing stuff. Now these are used. I picked them up from a buddy. I think they got like 10 passes on them. They're about 50% life left on them. So just perfect for testing out, seeing if I like doing the slicks before buying, you know, a brand new set. Because these things are getting expensive. And I know that some of you are gonna ask, so there you go. It's 28, 10, 15, the DO6 Hoosier slicks going on the back of this thing. On the back right now is a 275/60 R15 ET Street Radio Pro from Mickey Thompson. So these are going to be going on here soon so we can start doing no prep. I also have a little bit of a side project here, helping out a fellow YouTuber here in town. His channel is Deadbeat Garage, so if you've never heard of him or aren't following him already, go check him out. And for all of you guys that are from his channel that are here now to see this, welcome, and hopefully you guys enjoy the content. But what I am doing for him is rebuilding his transmission for him. He just recently picked up an S10 as well. He normally does Hondas. He's built quite a few hatchbacks, stuff like that, but he recently decided to get into the rear-wheel drive V8 world. So he actually picked up an S10 similar to mine, and he wants to do some sort of turbo. He has a small block right now, but I'm trying to talk him into doing LS because it just makes more sense. But he, what I'm doing for him is I'm rebuilding the transmission for him, and let me show you what it is. So what we have here is a Power Glide, a 2-speed automatic transmission, and he actually picked up like a 64, I believe it is, Bel Air. So like a, or actually Impala. I don't know, it's either an Impala or Bel Air. But it's a 4-door 64 car, and this was probably the original transmission that came in, and he actually did a really awesome job cleaning this, because this thing had like this much shit caked on it, and this thing looks almost brand new. But what we're gonna do is basically go through it for him and upgrade it to where it can hold some power. Now, I've never rebuilt a Power Glide, so that's why I'm just kind of doing this as a favor, because I want to learn them. I've seen a lot of videos, they seem really simple, so I'm basically doing this for him as a learning experience for me and to help him out, and then, you know, we'll just keep helping each other out down the road. So if you guys are coming over from his channel, I appreciate the subscribe, and hopefully you guys enjoy the content coming up. And if you guys are continuing subscribers of me, hopefully you guys enjoy the content too. So look for this coming up in one of the videos here pretty soon, and we'll get this thing torn apart. The people that he got it from seem to think that it already has good parts in it, but I'm thinking it's original. It's got the original Power Glide input shaft in it, so I'm gonna say that it's still stock inside. We'll definitely we'll fix that for sure. I think he's wanting to put a trans brake in it and, you know, build it right the first time. I don't know if we'll be doing bolt-on bell housing or anything like that, but we'll figure that as we go. So, but yeah, look forward to that coming up in a new video, and then also some prep on the S10, getting it ready for no prep and some testing. But that's all the time that I have for today, guys. Just a quick little update on the S10, let you guys know that I am still alive, and we are going to be putting out more videos here soon. So Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you guys on the next one.